Brian DiMambro. This is a very scarce, late 18th century folding linen-backed map of the Caribbean, the West India Islands. It's 1796 London by William Faden. It's, as you can see, very well preserved, some faint minor light offsetting and age toning, but the color is all original to the map. The coast of southern Florida here has got extensive sounding depths, and the same for all of the islands seen around the Caribbean. The map itself has got a very pleasing aspect to it, and I will hold it up so you can see the back of the linen like this, and it folds up readily like so. It is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com. We're making videos daily, so subscribe and you will receive updates.